Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the tools I use for charcoal portrait drawing. If you're a beginner or just curious about charcoal art, this will be helpful for you. So let's get started. These are all the tools I use for charcoal drawing. Let's start with the pencils. These are graphite pencils with different grades, used for the initial sketch and often for drawing skin texture. Graphite pencils are made of graphite, and when shading, they create a special shine or sheen on the drawing surface. I'm using 3 grades of charcoal pencils here. The first one, for the darkest tones, I'm using a charcoal pencil by Conti and Paris B3. This brand is known for its rich black and smooth application. I also use the white Conti Paris pencil to add strong highlights and bring out the light areas in the drawing. The second charcoal pencil is also by Marius. It has a medium darkness and is very versatile. The third group consists of HB, 4B, 6B, and 8B charcoal pencils from Staedtler. These are ideal for creating sharp lines and capturing fine skin texture in portrait work. The paper I'm using is Fabriano LR 220 grams. It has a smooth and nice texture which works well with charcoal. I use 4 types of erasers in my charcoal drawings. A monozer eraser for sharp liner highlights. A pencil eraser for faded and pale highlights. An electric eraser for intense light areas and strong highlights. And a kneaded eraser for diffuse highlights and gentle lifting. I cut my pencils with a craft knife and sharpen the tip using sandpaper. This gives me more control over the point of the pencil. I use different types of brushes in my charcoal drawings. Soft brushes for smooth shading. Stiff or coarse brushes blend pencil lines. I also use broader brushes for background textures and large areas. I use masking tape around the edges of the paper to keep the borders clean and protect them from charcoal dust. To achieve a clean and even background, I use soft pastels and blend them carefully using a sponge or brushes. This is compressed charcoal by Krita Color. When you need depth, absolute darkness in your drawing, you can use this charcoal. And finally, the most important tool in charcoal drawing is charcoal powder, which is used for shading, creating depth, and adding volume to the artwork. These are my main tools for charcoal portrait drawing. Let me know in the comments if you use any of these tools too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.